What's up YouTube? In this video I will show you how to create an NFT collection on Cardano using SaturnNFT.io. We will generate some images and the corresponding metadata. We will upload all the NFT files, enter the collection information, enter the mint settings, and then we are done. So first, let's get started with the generation. We need to upload our different layer sets. We need to enter some layer and trade names that will be used for the metadata, and then we need to preview the images that are combined with the layers and then download it in a zip file. Let's do that right now. This is the homepage of SaturnNFT.io. Very easy to use, especially if you don't know how to code. Their image generation is really handy. At the right top you can enter the app and you will have an account. Here you are greeted with all your NFT collections, and you can create a new one right here, or you can delete one over here. I have just made this one called Lucky Mints. You can name it under collection data, and if everything is alright, you shouldn't have any NFTs over here, but this is where you will see the NFTs in your collection. You can create manually one and enter the information and image, or you can generate the images, and that is what we are gonna do right now. Under upload images, go to generate images, and here you can add your layer sets. I have a background, a mint layer, and a flower layer. The background and flower layer both have 6 different variations. If you click on the plus sign, you can add a new variation for the background, for example. You can name it over here, and this is the information that is going to be used for the metadata. Then when you are happy with all your possible layers, you can go down here and preview what your NFTs could look like. So these are random combinations of the layers that you entered here. If it looks alright, you can set the right resolution for your images and set the amount of NFTs you want to generate. I will choose 33 for this collection. And this depends on the maximum amount of combinations you can make with your layers. So mine is 6 times 1 times 6. 36 maximum combinations, but I will use 33. Then we click on generate, and we get a zip file with all the needed files right here. We will then extract this somewhere on your computer, and we will use that later in the next step. Then the upload. We will take the files from the images folder and the files from the metadata folder and upload it to SaturnNFT, and then we can review all the information and see if it's showing up correctly like it should. So let's do that right now. We go back here and go into our NFT collection, and under upload images and upload images, you can go here to upload your image files, go to the location where you just saved them. I saved them in captures apparently. So in the right folder, here I can see all the combinations that are made already, and I select them, open, and they are now uploaded to the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, and the file names are added into the metadata. Then for the metadata upload, we go into the metadata folder and select all the files, like so. And we are done with the upload. We can go to the NFTs tab And here you can see all the NFTs that are generated and now uploaded to your account. If you click on a certain NFT, you can see the asset name and the name of the NFT. You can see the IPFS address. And here you can see the different properties from the layer naming and the variation naming. So we will have a mint, spirit mint of reflection for this one. That looks good. Then we can go to collection data. For the collection information, you will need to add the name, the price data, the policy lock date, and the royalty data. We already named this Lucky Mints, but you can input your own collection name here. And for the price, we can use 33. And for the policy data, you need to set the end date, the locking date, and I will use a year into the future. So today is 11. I will choose 24 January 11/1/11. Makes 33. And here we will pick a time, a very important time of 4:20 p.m. That looks good. And then the royalty data, you will need to enter your own address here. So copy paste your own address and paste it in here and set the royalty percentage. And click save. Then we can go on to the mint settings. We have some options for the mint type, the end date, the royalty token that we need to mint to our wallet, and we have some settings for a button that we can place on our website to the payment gateway where customers can easily pay for your NFT. And then we can start minting. So let's go to the mint settings. Over here, because this is a collection and we are gonna sell multiple NFTs, we click on the first option, sell NFTs. Then for the mint settings, we will keep the end date for 1/1/1/24 for 20. And then if you are ready, you can click I am ready to mint. What this does, start mint, this will start your availability of your NFT mint on the blockchain, and it will prompt you with a first transaction that you have to pay to get a royalty token, and that will basically allow you to receive your royalties for future sales of your NFTs. Then here is the website mint button that will open the payment gateway. It will look something like this, where you can see the payment details, the price, the quantity, and the item, the one random Lucky Mint NFT. Then you can see how many are already minted and how many are reserved. And here the customer can choose a wallet to pay with, any Cardano wallet. Here the mint button to start the transaction. Here you can customize how the button is going to look on your website. Here you will see the result, and here you can copy and paste the button to go on your website. Now it's always smart to do a quick check of everything, if everything looks alright. So the collection data, Lucky Mints, 33, policy data, royalty data. And then you can check your NFTs if they look alright. If you like the combinations, you can also generate a new set of combinations, of course, and use that. And then do the proper checks. And then if you are happy, you can click ready to mint. This will prompt the transaction. As you can see, 0.68 ADA plus 0.19 fee, so about 1 ADA it will cost for the royalty token. We can do that right here. So, like this. And we have successfully started our NFT mint view transaction. And here we can see the actual transaction for the royalty token. And it started on 1/1/1/23. Beautiful, beautiful. So that's the ending of the video. I will use this tutorial for a real NFT collection for my platomint.io website. You can go to spin to mint game and spin to win a CNFT mint. If you collect 200 coins, you are eligible. You can exchange them for 1 mint. And I will hook up the right button over here when you get the coins. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and happy minting.